Hello all. Welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to answer one of the Java interview questions. That is, can we specify public access modifier before classes, variables, and methods in Java? The answer is yes, guys. Okay. We can specify the public modifier, that is access modifier, before class, before variable, before method. Java is not going to give you any compiler error because public modifier or public access modifier is suitable to be specified before all these three items, that is classes, variables, and methods. Let me practically demonstrate this one for you. Further, I'll switch to this Eclipse IDE. I'm going to create a new class. I'll just name this class as class, some random name. Let's say yum. I don't think yum is there here. Click on finish. So yeah, I created a class and I'll create a You see, the class is already mentioned with public. You see, even though this class is specified with public modifier, I'm not getting any compiler error. That means we can specify public modifier before a class. Okay. Apart from public, if you try to provide private, you see, you are going to get an illegal modifier error. Or if you try to provide protected, then also you are going to get illegal modifier. But public is fine. Okay. Public is fine. You can specify public modifier before a class in Java without any problem. And what about variables and methods? If I try to create a variable, for example, I created a variable with the name A and declared with some data type like int. And if I specify public modifier before that, you see, I'm not getting any compiler error. That means public modifier can be specified before variables also in Java. And apart from that, the last item that is left out is the methods. Okay. Can I specify this public modifier before methods? Public void sample one. Okay. You see, I created one method, guys, with the name sample1, and I'm specifying the public modifier. On the top of that, if you try to create a constructor also, before the constructor, you can specify, guys, okay? Public constructor will not have return type, and the name of the constructor should match with the name of the class, okay? And this is a constructor, you see. Public modifier can be specified before a class, before a variable, before a method, before a constructor, etc., etc. So there are no restrictions or no compiler errors. So hope guys you got the answer for this question with practical demonstration. Can we specify public access modifier before classes, variables, and methods in Java? The answer is yes. So that's all for this session. Thank you. Bye bye.